Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Fanimation fan remote not working, full troubleshooting and sync fix guide. Fix 1 is replace the remote batteries. Remove the battery cover from the remote, then install fresh batteries of the correct type. Make sure the batteries are inserted correctly. Test the fan again. Even if the remote lights turn on, weak battery can prevent the signal from reaching the fan. Second one is check the wall switch. Make sure the wall switch that powers the fan is turned on. If there is a separate switch for the light, keep it on as well. Then test the remote again. Fanimation remote require constant power to communicate with the receiver. Third one is resync the remote. Turn the fan power off for about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn the power on again. Within 3 minutes, press the fare or learn button on the remote. Then wait for the fan to respond. Fourth one is check the receiver. Turn off the power at the breaker, then remove the fan canopy. Check that all wires are connected tightly, then turn the power back on and test the remote. Fifth one is remove signal interference. Stand closer to the fan, move other wireless devices away if possible. Then if your remote uses DIP switches, make sure the switch settings match the receiver. Thanks for watching.